If you're anywhere close to my age and feeling that slow burn, the crushing stress, the bone-deep exhaustion, the fear that AI and layoffs are quietly closing in on everything you've built, you are not alone. And I made this video specifically, urgently, for you. I used to wake up with that same pit in my stomach, tight, relentless, suffocating. I desperately wanted out, but I couldn't afford to leave. Every single day I kept asking myself, how do I buy back my time before my company replaces me with a machine? That's when everything changed. I discovered how to build a real digital marketing business, generating income straight from my phone using skills I already had. And that moment became the foundation of everything. Legacy builders. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain. I'm breaking down exactly how this system works and how you can use it to build your own exit plan, one powerful step at a time. When I first started talking about legacy builders, people stopped me and asked, wait, what is that? Could someone like me actually do that? And I am here to look you in the eyes and tell you, yes, you absolutely can. At 51, I looked around and realized my job could replace me with AI at any moment. So here's what I did instead. I quit before they could fire me. Now, that is not the strategy I recommend. But after just a few meetings, the truth hit me like a freight train. I was more exhausted than I had ever admitted to myself, so I made a move. A bold, terrifying, necessary move. And even then, I knew. Those bills don't stop coming. The pressure doesn't disappear. I had to act. I had finally reached my absolute breaking point. Enough was enough. That moment of reckoning led me straight to Legacy Builders, where I learned not just how to create digital income streams, but how to finally, unapologetically, run my own show. After 25 years of pouring every ounce of myself into nursing, 25 years of sacrifice, of showing up, of giving everything, I sat in one meeting and realized it could all be erased in an instant. So I stopped waiting for permission. I built my own income stream. I thought, I am not a tech expert. I barely knew where to start. But Legacy Builders broke it down step by step, piece by piece. How to set up your first product, how to create content that connects, and how to start earning real money while you learn right from your phone. They even set me up with my own automated email system, so I never had to cold call strangers or brace myself for the word no. This system works tirelessly in the background while I am out here living my absolute best life. The platform they use is System.io, and it holds everything. Your sales page, your complete click funnel, your emails, all in one place. Seamless, powerful, beginner-friendly. In my honest opinion, it is the single easiest way to start your own business, become your own boss, and make your own money on your own terms. And speaking of money, did I mention you keep 100% of your profits? Every single dollar. You will be fully licensed to resell your digital products again and again and again. For those of you in the back, that is called Master Resale Rights, and it is a game changer. Now let me be crystal clear about what this is not. This is not an MLM, not a pyramid scheme. Those take your money and your energy and give it to someone else. This is a legitimate, powerful e-learning program that teaches you step by step exactly how to launch your business and then how to scale it, grow it, and protect it. There are even dedicated classes on managing your taxes. This is real, this is legal, and this is yours. Here is what I learned, and I need you to really hear this. Building financial freedom was so much more attainable than I ever dared to believe, and I did not need to wait one more day to start. Legacy Builders gives you complete step-by-step training to create online income streams that actually transform real people's lives. No inventory, no warehouse, no massive social media following required. Just your phone and Wi-Fi. It is a business in a box, done for you, designed for you. All it takes is a couple of hours a day and a willingness to step boldly outside your comfort zone. Because here is the truth that changed my life. If nothing changes, nothing will change. The moment I plugged into this system, I started seeing real engagement, real leads, real momentum. And that is when something shifted deep inside me. I realized that freedom wasn't just a dream anymore. Help had arrived, and it was finally my turn. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. This did not happen overnight. It took consistency. It took commitment. It took showing up even when I wasn't sure. But every single step forward gave me something I hadn't felt in years: hope. Real, tangible hope that I could take back control of my financial future. And that is exactly why I am sharing this with you today, so that you know you can do this too. Getting started is easier than you think. Head to my website and grab your free blueprint. It breaks everything down even further in plain language, just for you. And if you want to go even deeper, we have free live webinars where our founder speaks directly to you. This is not a sales pitch. This is an invitation, an opportunity to completely change the trajectory of your future. If you are anywhere near my age, if your job is on your absolute last nerve, if you are burned out and running on empty, if you are tired of sitting and waiting for your company to decide your fate, if you want to retire sooner rather than never, then listen to me. It is time to stop waiting, time to make your move. With Legacy Builders, you do not need to be tech savvy. You do not need thousands of followers. You just need your phone, your Wi-Fi, and a burning desire to build something better. You will also have access to a thriving, supportive community of nearly 60,000 people, just like you and me, all walking this same path together. Daily mentoring, free tech support. You are never, ever alone. This is not just a game changer. This is a complete life changer. And the best part? The business is already built for you. You are set up to succeed from day one. Legacy Builders gave me back my life. It gave me back my power. And now it is your turn. Click the link in the description right now. Get your free copy of the exact blueprint I used and start building your journey to real financial freedom today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today, before your job makes the decision for you. Let's go! Clock it!